tried to break up a fight at a bonfire party in Port Charlotte and ended up in the hospital after a man pulled out a gun and started shooting.
Deputies say it was 23-year-old Darren Hayward who pulled the trigger. He called 911 saying someone punched him, so he reacted by shooting toward the direction of the punch. Well, Gulf Coast News reporter Madison Adams has been speaking to the victim, who's now recovering from surgery.
Getting here is not easy. The area is surrounded by ATV trails and unpaved roads, making it difficult for first responders to get here quickly.
It just shows like people will go to lengths to have fun.
The Charlotte County Sheriff's Office says more than 80 people gathered at a bonfire party on Cook Brown Road in Port Charlotte early Sunday. That party almost turned deadly.
There's an after night party or whatever. I'm like, oh, heck nah. In the middle of nowhere? I'm not trusting that at all.
Deputies say 2 people started fighting and more joined in.
You don't really expect them to pull out a gun every time.
A man who says he went to the party told me he jumped in to break up the fight. That's when he says gunshots went off and a bullet hit his leg.
I bet that freaked him out a little bit. And then I bet everybody else was a little scared.
The man who was shot also broke his leg, but survived thanks to a friend who quickly loaded him into a truck driving towards an ambulance. Deputies say 23-year-old Darren Hayward Jr. pulled the trigger. But they say he stayed on scene calling 911, claiming that he was punched by an unknown person and fired the gun in the direction of the punch. The Major Crimes Unit says this is not self-defense, taking him to the Charlotte County Jail for the charges you see on your screen. He is now released on bond. Reporting in Charlotte County, Madison Adams, Gulf Coast News.